Barnaby the dog, a creature of pure, clumsy enthusiasm, watched 3-year-old Lily. Lily, balancing a cookie, sneezed. The cookie flew. Showtime. Barnaby scrambled, paws sliding on the hardwood. But Mittens, the cat, was faster. She'd been pretending to sleep, the furry little con artist. With a graceful leap, Mittens snatched the cookie mid-air. She landed on Barnaby's head, ate the cookie in 2 bites, and started purring. Barnaby just sat there, bewildered, wearing a cat hat. Lily pointed and shrieked with laughter. "Silly puppy!